Hi, boys and girls. This is our math lesson. Like I said, I do not have the best quality for my video today. So what we're going to be doing is I'm going to be turning off my video for this session. This is our math lesson. We're going to be doing math lesson 82. Yesterday we didn't get to do it because I had some issues with my computer, but we'll go ahead and do this today. You are going to need the worksheet from yesterday. There's a couple of numbers on the worksheet. You can't miss it. There's a couple of numbers on it. Let's see. It looks like this. Let's see. It looks like this. I don't think you can see it. This one. Okay. So go ahead and do that. We're going to be a little bit behind this week, and that's okay. So I know it says we're supposed to be doing lesson 83, but we're going to be doing lesson 82. Okay? And that's going to be okay. So let's begin. Let's see. Okay, perfect. So here we go. Okay, so I'm going to be sharing my screen so you can see my whiteboard, okay? So here we go. Okay. So today what we're going to be doing is we were going to be learning how to write addition and subtraction facts with families. That sounds really difficult, but it's super easy, boys and girls. We're going to learn how to do addition and subtraction with fact families. So there's certain numbers that always go together and they stay in a family. So I'm gonna give you an example, okay? So I'm gonna write the numbers 5, 1, and 6, okay? I'm gonna write these numbers down right here. We're gonna talk about them, okay? Okay, perfect. Okay, so what do you notice about these three numbers? Okay, what do you notice about these three numbers? Yes, they are all whole numbers, right? They are numbers, they're small numbers. Okay, good. They're not in order, right? They would be in numerical order. It'd be 1, 5, and 6. Good. Okay, so let's continue. What number sentences can we write using only these three numbers? What number sentences? Remember, a number sentence has numbers, an equal sign, and then an answer. So you're right, 5 plus 1 equals 6. What other things can we do? Yes, you're right. 1 plus 5 equals 6. Good job. You're getting the hang of this. Okay, now subtraction. What can we do with these numbers? 6 minus 1 equals 5. And again, how about we do 6 minus 5 equals 1. So we're trying to make number sentences, right? We're trying to make number sentences with just these three numbers, okay? And as you can see, these are the ones that we get, okay? And these number sentences make up a fact family. 5, 1, 6 always go together. 5, 1, 6. 5, 1, 6. They always go together. 5, 1, and 6. Okay? Let's write these fact family number sentences as vertical problems. Okay, how will we do that? So let's try to do that, okay? So I'm going to use my pencil. And I'm going to write 5. Remember, vertical is up and down. Plus 1 equals 6. 1 plus 5 equals 6. 6 plus 1 equals 5. And 6 plus 5 equals 1. Okay. Good, good, good. Okay, so let's write a couple of other ones, okay? So these are families, 5, 6, and 1. Okay, let's write some other ones. What about the numbers 2, 7, 9? What number sentences can we make from these numbers? Good. 2 plus 7 equals 9. What other sentences can we make? Okay, 7 plus 2 equal 9. What about subtraction? 9 minus 2 equals 7. Good. One more. Let's see. 9. Oh, we already did that one. 9 minus 7 equals 2. Good job. So this is another fact family. The numbers 2, 7, and 9 always go together. They're family. And what do you notice about the numbers in these fact family sentences? Yeah, the greatest number is always on the right or the left. The other two numbers switch places, right? So let's write these fact family number sentences as vertical problems. Two plus 7 equals 9. 7 plus 2 equals 9. 9 plus 2 equals 7. And 9 minus 7 equals 2. Good. So now that we wrote those down, what do you notice about the numbers in these fact family problems? Yeah, you're right. The greatest number, this one, is always, right? The greatest number is always on the top or at the bottom. The greatest number is always on the top or the bottom, right? The other two numbers switch places. There we go. This one is always on the top or the bottom. It's either here or here, here or here, here or here, here or here, here or here. Do you see that? The greatest number out of these, of the fact family, is always at the bottom or the top. Where is it here? The bottom. It's either in the top or the bottom. Right here. But this number, the greatest number, is always in all of the equations. Top or bottom? Top. Top or bottom? Top. Do you see that? The greatest number. Okay, let's do another one. So what was the first one? 5, 1, and 6. And what is this one? 2, 7, 9. Okay, let's do one more and then we'll be done. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to write these numbers down. Okay, 3 and 9. We always need 3 numbers to make a fact family. So is this a fact family? No. What is a third number that we can use for this fact family? What number can we use to make it a fact family? What numbers? 6 or 12? What do you think? 6 or 12? Well, let's use 12 as the third number. Let's just use it just to see. Let's see if it works. How will we write a fact family for these three numbers? Okay, so let's start by doing, let's see, maybe 3 plus 9 equals 12. Is that correct? Yeah. 9 plus 3 equals 12. Is that correct? Yes. 12 minus 3 equals 9. Is that correct? That's right. What about, oh. Okay. What about this one? 12 minus 3 equals 9. Oh, sorry, 12 minus 9 equals 3. Good. What do you notice about the numbers in these fact family numbers sentences? Yes, the greatest number is always on the right or the left. The other two switch places. Always. Which one's the biggest number out of these? The 12. You're very right. So the 12 is always going to be in our number sentence. Always. So it's either going to be to the left or to the right. Left or right. Where is the biggest number here? The right. So our biggest number is going, the greatest number is going to be left or right this time. Right. Good job. Over here, is it going to be in the left or the right? The left. The equal sign makes like a line. Left or right? Left. But it's always in the equation. Okay, good. Okay. So now let's try 6. Let's see if 6 works, shall we? Okay, so 3, 9, and 6. Can that work? 3 plus 9 equals, does that work? 3 plus 6 equals 9. Good. 6 plus 3 equals 9. So now subtraction. 9 minus 3 equals 6. And 9 minus 6 equals 3. Good. So what do we notice about these numbers, boys and girls? Yes. The biggest number is always either on the left or the right. The left or the right. Left or right this time. Right. Left or right this time. Right. Left or right this time. Right. Sorry, left. Left or right this time. Left. Good. Okay. So now you have your worksheet. I want you to use your worksheet, and you have the numbers 4, 9, and 5. Do you see that? 4, 9, and 5. Okay, so let's try to do this on our own. So 4, remember the biggest number always either goes on the left or the right. So you have to choose. 4 plus 5 equals 9. Okay, let's do it again. It's usually just the opposite. 5 plus 4 equals 9. Do it again. 9 minus 4 equals 5. 9 minus 5 equals 4. Do you see that? Okay, so you're going to do that for the rest of them. And then when you get to the bottom, you see those dotted lines. Once you get to the bottom, we're going to do this. Actually, those dotted lines, we're just going to leave them blank for right now, okay? So what we're going to do is you're just going to write the fact families, just like we did right here on your piece of paper, okay? And then for this next one, we kind of have to find out what our fact family is. The 9, 2, and then the missing number, we have to figure out what that is. Okay? So 9 minus 2 equals 5. So maybe 5 could be it, right? 5 plus 2 equals 7. So that wouldn't work. So we have to find a number. So let's say 7 plus 2 equals 9. Good. 9 minus 7 equals 2. There we go. Okay. So when we have to find the missing one, we have to see what adds up to the biggest number. So 8, 9, and then you have a blank. So maybe it's a 1. 8 plus 1 equals 9. That could work, right? 1 plus 8 equals 9. 9 minus 8 equals 1. Good. 9 minus 1 equals 8. So there you have it. So I want you to finish your fact families. And that will be it for today. I want you to finish those worksheets for me. You might have already finished the other worksheet for yesterday, and that's okay. But I want you to finish that fact family sheet. Okay, well, I will talk to you tomorrow. God bless you, and totus tuus, Maria.